Hey everyone, it's Brownstone here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited about this wig review. So this is a wig review for a new company. I've never worked with them before until they contacted me about being a brand ambassador for them, and I was like, duh, of course I want to be a brand ambassador. And the company I am talking about is Hair R Us. Now I don't know if you guys have heard of them, but I've always heard of them. And they work with people like Trina and Keisha Kayor. I'm not really sure if you guys watched the Gucci Mane and Keisha Kayor wedding special, but there was one episode that she went to look for wigs or bundles or something for her wedding or for her bridesmaids, and that was at their Miami location. So they have storefronts in Miami, I want to say Atlanta as well, and also LA. So for them to contact me and want me to be a brand ambassador, I was just like, oh my gosh, yes. So I was super excited about that. I've been in contact with one of the representatives and they have been amazing to me. So let's go ahead and get into these bundles. So they gave me bundles, not a wig, so I definitely have to go and make that wig. For me personally, I really don't like to make wigs because it's just super time consuming. They do also sell wigs, I'm pretty sure, but they just gave me bundles, which is cool, and I was actually really satisfied with it. We'll go ahead and show y'all how it came. So it came in a regular packaging and also in this purple bag, and the hair came like this. This was the bundles, and this is for the frontal. So this cute little satin bag, I do like that. I do wish it was a box type thing that it came in, but I am very happy with the bag as well. So the bundles I got is the Blonde Bombshell B Swirl. So it is a blonde and brown swirl. I got two 24s and 2 20s. I'm pretty sure I asked for a 22, but I'll make it work, honestly. I have 2 other blonde wigs, but none like this with the blonde and brown swirl. So that's what attracted me to it, because it was a little bit different, and I just absolutely love how it feels. If y'all could feel like how thick this all is together. And I want to go ahead and show y'all the frontal as well. Came in the bag like so. I think the inches, yeah, the inches on this is a 22 blonde swirl navy. It's a frontal, it's a 13x4 frontal. So we go ahead and show you how this frontal look. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay, do y'all see how this looks? It's a lot more brown in the back, and the roots are also brown, which I thought was really cool to see as well. Did it come pre-plucked? It's kind of plucked a little bit. It does come with the baby hair, so I do like that. But I love how soft it is. I don't know the origins of this hair, but I will look it up, and I will put the link to this hair in the description box below. So I am not really good at making wigs on camera. Well, not necessarily, but I don't really have the right setup to make a wig on camera. But once I get the right setup as far as the correct wig mannequin head and a what is it, one of those pole thingies, so I can like really show y'all how to do it, I will definitely show y'all how I make a wig. But I just really wanted to show y'all the bundles, and then I will come back with this wig done. And yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. So when I come back, this wig is about to be fire. Y'all gonna love it just as much as I will. Can we please just take a quick moment of silence for this wig? I mean, first of all, this is the second time I've ever made a frontal wig, and if I do say so myself, I went off. I went all the way off. I mean, No one told me to go off like this, first of all, okay? Second of all, this hair is amazing, okay? I've had blonde hair before. I've actually had 2 blonde wigs before this one, but this one is actually my absolute favorite, and it's different from my other ones because my first one was it had the black roots with the blonde, and then my second one was the all blonde, and this one has the brown roots and it has like the brown swirl thing going on in it, and I absolutely love it. I actually really like, you know, the brown roots to it, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it that much, but I actually really do. Like, it really complements my skin tone very well. But please, just wherever you are in the world right now, just please, let's all just take a quick moment of silence, because anyway, so this wig is amazing. 10s across the board. I love it. This company is great. I mean, I could just go on and on and on. Let me just go ahead and tell y'all what I did. So just because I'm not necessarily an expert in making frontal wigs, I didn't show y'all how I did it. But because it's the second time I've done it and it came out really well, I will try to make sure the next time I make a wig, I will film it for you guys. At this point, I feel like I should do that. That's been long awaited, so I definitely will do that. It was easy to work with. I didn't experience any tangling, which is amazing. My first blonde wig that I had, it just tangled like crazy. It shedded like crazy. And I just didn't like wearing it out, because anytime I wore it out, I'd had to braid it, so if I left it like alone like this, it would just get all tangly and it would look really fake, and I just did not like that. But this, it doesn't have the same feel as that hair. I forgot what origin this is from, but whatever it is from, I mean, it just went off, because this hair is amazing. I've been running my fingers through it. It is a 24. I have 2 24s and 2 20s, and I have yet to experience any tangling of any sorts. Shedding is minimal. It's just regular shedding, so it's not a problem. As far as the bundles I use, so at first I used all 4 bundles with the frontal, but when I put it on, it was just it had like a few bumps in it, so I had to take them out. And what I did, I did the 2-track method. So like, I didn't really have the time to just do 1 at a time, so I just did 2 at a time, and I cut my tracks 2. I just felt that was easier to do rather than the flip over method, and I really wanted this to be as flat as possible. So in the beginning, I did use all 4 tracks, but when I saw that it just did not look right and had a few bumps in it, I did end up taking about half of that out. So it's 3 bundles and then half of the 4th one. So I didn't need all 3. I mean, I didn't need all 4. Honestly, for this hair, I would say you'd only need like 3. And I have a really petite head too. I can honestly take a few more out and it would still look really fire and full as well. So you don't need 4, just 3 is good enough. Even 2.5, honestly. Like, I really don't think you need that much. But I love really big, full, voluptuous hair, so that's why I just always ask for 4 bundles. But yeah, like I said earlier, this is the first day that I made it. I wore it, everything, so I really can't tell y'all too much about it. I will come back with a, you know, my final review over it with everything that I've experienced from it. But today's the first day, so it's all love right now with this wig. As far as the name, so when I first saw it, I was like, I feel like a Britney, but Britney, I don't think Britney captures the feeling of this wig too much. So I was thinking, I was like, who were some blonde bombshells back in the day or right now that really just went off and, you know, would capture the personality of this hair? And for some reason, I thought of Pamela Anderson. I think she used to go off in the 90s. Like, I think she used to be real, like, bad. Like, she was out there. So I'm feeling Pamela, because this is that I'ma steal your man hair. This is that I'm the baddest. Anywhere I walk into the club, the house, Walmart, I mean, I'm just flabbergasted by how much this wig just is going off. I didn't think I was gonna like it that much. Like, just a reminder, this is from Hair R Us. I will be putting a direct link to this hair and to their website in the description box below. I do not have a discount code with this company. I will see if they have any other discounts or sales going on for you guys, and I will also put that in the description box below. But yeah, I hope you guys love this hair as much as I love it. I mean, this is great. Let's look at these edges real quick. I do need to what's the word, pluck it just a little bit more. I don't bleach my knots just because I'm not too experienced with that as well, but I low-key might have to go back in and bleach it. I just went in with my foundation, but I still see the lace, so it really wasn't enough, I want to say, but it still looks pretty decent. To me, at least, it doesn't look bad or anything, but I do need to learn how to go ahead and bleach my knots so I could do that and make this look 10 times better than what it already does, and it already looks great. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you guys right now. I'm about to go enjoy this wig some more. And please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Please let me know what else you guys would want to see from me. I'm thinking about doing a possible video of how to do different styles with your frontal, just because this hair is real fun. So I'm definitely thinking about doing that. If that's something you would be interested in, please let me know in the comments below. Anything else you would like, I think that's it, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Said she wanna take me away, said she wanna show me the way, baby don't play no game, to please me. Take time, slow wine, take time, slow wine,